What's the word, family? Finna stroll over here to BJ's Upholstery. My boy, he just moving in the buildings over here, man. He be getting it in with the interior. See what he got going on over here. I think he working on the old Continental over here. That mud nice. Let's see. Oh yeah. What's the word? Hey, yo, people ain't gonna mind me getting no footage, huh? I know some people don't like people seeing their master plan. Man, my boy doing this thing in here, man. Put the panel. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's my boy BJ, y'all. That boy over here getting it in. See, I saw the before when it first came.
Yeah.
So, you know, y'all seeing the after effect, you know what I'm saying? He getting it in.
That's all about you ready for the weekend, man.
Look at that stitching. Look at that.
You ready for the weekend.
Look at that. Yes, sir. That boy nice with it.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Yes, sir. Already. Yeah. Y'all here. BJ Upholstery. Yes, sir. Matter of fact, let me. Don't you got the sign on the front with the number? Let me, you know, get them look, see right quick. Yeah. Y'all check that out. So anybody want to ask me in the comments who that is and where he at, there y'all go right there. I'm going to hold that right there. So y'all can take a picture of it or write it down or what y'all got to do. BJ, that's my boy. He cool in the mud. Gonna take care of his business. Take pride in his work. Yes, sir. Already, y'all. Just showing y'all what my boy got going on over here, man. He over here thugging. Yes, sir. Getting it in. This mud look good. And it ain't take you that long, bro. Yeah, hell yeah, this weekend he rolling. Fresh. Oh man, I don't even think I low.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, y'all. I ain't even show the flow mats down there. Oh yeah. You say he'll be done with him this weekend. Door panels in, dash wrap, steering wheel. Yes sir, everything wrapped. Yes sir. Beautiful. Very beautiful. And this my boy right here, man. This BJ. Y'all holler at that boy, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what's up. Yeah, I already know. See, hey, the proof is in the pudding. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Do some stitching, not talking out here. Already.
I ain't the best for the business, but come fuck with me. I'm gonna get you right though.
Already.
We ain't gonna hold your car no 8 months, 10 months and all that either.
Already.
I work all day long, Sundays, holidays, everything.
Yeah. Hey, we right across from each other. We only get to holler at each other every once in a while because I be busy over there and he be busy over here. But I've been telling him I'm gonna come shoot some footage, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all his work, man. The boy do his thing, man. He do his thing, y'all. Already. In the heat. Boy, got 2-3 fans going, so y'all know he on the same thing I'm on. You know what I'm saying? Blood, sweat, and tears in here, man. You know what I'm saying? Uncomfortable.
Making it happen, though.
Yeah. Already. Yes, sir. Man. That's what's up, YouTube. We out, man. It's BJ's Upholstery. I showed y'all the number, the address on the door. Y'all holler at that boy, man. We out.